First we have bread. Put it on sale and took it out of the freezer. We only use one loaf, almost half off. We put the bread back in the freezer. Then when it's finished, we have ketchup and we have cheese. And now we wait. I am hungry. I am hungry. Yay! The bread is finished. Now we take the bread. See? All nice. We add ketchup. I like a lot of ketchup. You don't have to put as much as I. And then we take a slice of cheese. The cheese was actually also with a good price. It wasn't on sale or something, but had a good price. And it's finished.